travel back in time to the origins of Polyscias balfouriana. Hailing from the lush rainforests of the Pacific Islands, this plant has a history entwined with both botanical fascination and cultural significance. Its journey from its native habitat to global gardens is a testament to its enduring appeal. With its feathery, finely divided leaves, it adds a touch of grace and sophistication to any indoor or outdoor space. The unique foliage arrangement showcases its beauty, making it a true centerpiece of your plant collection. Unlocking the secret to cultivating a thriving Balfour Aralia is a rewarding journey for any plant enthusiast. It flourishes in bright, indirect light, thriving in indoor settings where it receives ample sunlight without being exposed to direct rays. Maintaining consistent moisture levels in well-draining soil is key to its optimal growth. This elegant foliage pairs well with other tropical plants such as ferns, peace lilies, and snake plants. Together, they create a harmonious composition of textures and shades. The Balfour Aralia is not merely an ornamental addition to your garden. It's a statement of style and refinement. Whether adorning your living room, brightening up a corner, or even adding a touch of green to your workplace, its presence exudes sophistication and a connection to nature. For more insights into gardening, farming, and the remarkable diversity of living organisms, remember to subscribe to our channels. Wishing you joyful gardening and farming. And may the Balfour Aralia grace your spaces with its timeless allure.